Hey guys, this is the Turtle Man 09 and I'm redoing my saltwater tank, my 29 gallon, so I ordered some stuff from Reef Supply. Open the small box first, so bear with me because I'm using one hand. There's my invoice, some packing nuts, got my netting for my DIY screen that I'm building, and the shipping, yep, wait, no, it's not it. Here it is, spline, and then I already built the screen. So that's that order. Then we got a bigger box. It should be easier to cut since it's has weight to it. So it's not going to be flopping around everywhere. Put the knife down so I don't cut myself. I'm going to move everywhere. As you can see, I got some rock. I ordered 21 pounds. And there it all is, right there. So, I will make a video of all the pieces. Sorry, I got this filter here. Yep, so here you go, the pieces here. So, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Tune in for next time. Hey guys, this is the Turtle Man 09, and this is my rock after I unboxed it, and now it's in the curing bin. So I ordered 21 pounds of pukani dry rock from Reef Supply, and I have just a little filter there just for the water flow. And I have a pump down there, you can see the wire going down. And there's another pump down by the filter, and the tube's coming up here, and it goes right and flows right there, so I can do a water change. So I'll make updates and show you when it's in the tank. And here's my just top off water. So and my water, that's actually salt water for water changes. So thanks for watching. Bye.